click on this tab. Under this tab, you will find a variety of hypotheses. Here below, you can see the variables you copied into the table. Depending on which variables you select, DataTab will calculate the appropriate hypothesis.
Okay, let me stop playing the video and come back to our okay, and check here. And now let's move to the examples from our textbook, because excuse me, that is easier, because let me show you how to run it on the example 11, chapter 11.3.1, and homework Q3 and Q5. Then you will be clear how to run this one. Okay, here. Okay, there are times you want to compare 3 or more population means. Populations is one idea is just to test the difference combination of 2 means. Okay, and the problem is that your chance for type 1 error increases. Instead, you need a process or analyzing all of them at the same time. This process is known as analysis of variance. That is ANOVA, ANOVA. The test statistics for the ANOVA is fairly complicated. Again, very complicated. But when you watch my operation, how to copy paste, it's easy. But the background knowledge is complicated. You don't need to understand it in the future unless you attend the grade school about statistics. Otherwise, you don't need that. Okay, just come to here. Hypothesis. Okay, we ignore this part. Let's check the example. Hypothesis test involving several means. Okay, the question: cancer is a terrible disease. Surviving may depend on the type of cancer the person has. To see if the mean survival time of several types of cancer are different, data was collected on the survival time in days of patients with one of the cancer in advanced stage. The data is in example 11.3.1. There have been many advances in cancer treatment, so do not use this data as an indication of surviving rate from this disease. It's just an example, an old example. Do the data indicate that at least 2 of the mean survival time from the type of cancer not all equal? Test at 1% level. Okay, let me explain that. Stomach. Okay, bronchus is part of our lung. Colon, large intestine. Okay, and ovary and breast, and survival times in days of 5 cancer types. For example, after the after the treatment or after the discovery of the confirmed to be the cancer, the survival date 124, 42, 25, 45, 412, different days. Wow, this person lived close to 3 years, like this one. And for the second bronchus, the cancer, the survival date 81, 461, 20, 450, like this. And can you read the difference from here? No, actually, we cannot, because our brain cannot process those raw information. And colon cancer, ovary cancer, breast cancer, and okay, state the random variable and the parameters in words, like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variable, and mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and the average of the first cancer, that is 286 days, and standard deviation is very big, and so it's not standard, it's variance. Okay, and from here we can know in average the breast cancer, the survival date is in average very longer, but the variance is also bigger. It doesn't mean anything. Now we are going to test it. So I just select them, copy, and you can move to my first. Okay, and you can check my okay, then I copy paste here, and now this part is really easy. Go back to this. I found an easy way. There is an online calculator, one-way ANOVA calculator. I copy, paste to our night group. Do it like this. Can you move to this one first? Get this website? Okay, again. Today's lecture is on week 16, and my example is here, but you need to switch different sheets, and the online calculator is here. Please click them. Okay, then watch my steps here. First column, there's stomach. I select copy and go to the column 1. Treatment 1, Control V, paste. And move back the second column, copy and paste. And third column, Control C to copy, paste, okay, I'm done. Please do this part.
下次我好，再麻烦你啊。
Okay, then we can set the significant label as the textbook is set at 0.01. I click 0.01 and click calculate. Okay, and got the results. The first patients is 13, 17, 17, 6, 11. Total number is 69. And the F value is here. The degree of freedom is 4 because we have 5 groups and 5 minus 1, that is 4. That is 4. And the F ratio value is 6.4. The P value is 0.000229. The result is significant. Okay, and we are done. It means at least the 2 groups are different. But can you tell me what's the difference? Who are those 2? And I will tell you later. You can see when each comparison, group 1 to group 2, the p-value is very close, no significant difference. Group 1 to group 3, 0.97, no significant difference, close to 1. Group 1 to 4, 0.2. Group 1 to 5, that's 0.02. Okay, this one in blue, that is significant difference here. Group 1 to group 5. And here is group 2 to group 5. It's also significant difference. But group 1 and 2, no significant difference. And then we can know, okay, maybe group 5 is something special. And here, group 3 to group 5 is different. Group 4, no different. Okay, we got it. We know group 1 to 5, those 2 groups are different. Group 2 to 5, they are different. Group 3 to group 5, they are different. Okay, so we can get the answer here. Again, we can see the survival time is here, and group 1 to 5, those 2 groups are different. 2 to 5 different, 3 to 5 different, but 4 to 5 no significant different. Okay, again, let me tell you that the p-value is 0.002, and that is a significant difference. Okay, done. We are done. But if you want to know what are the difference, group 1 to group 5, group 2 to group 5, group 3 to group 5, they are different. Done. After you finish the example, I will give you one more example from our textbook. Oh, okay. Before we move to next example, let me review our grading policy again. Grading policy again. Okay, and in group A, you just want to pass it. The requirement very easy. At least 6 times of attendance. That is 10%. Attend 2 open book exams. You have done 1, and next week is the final exam. And no matter the score, how high or low, I don't care. But you need to attend at least those, not at least, you need to attend both of the exams. And sure, but students in group B, at least they accomplish all requirements in group A. If they want to have higher score, at least 10 times. If you say $1, I just reached 6, not to 10, can I be a part of it? No, because you already fit the criteria first one. You need to fit, okay, the same one 10 times, 2 exams, and class assignment on the home page. And creative works, for example, I encourage everyone. For example, Daniel attends the Rotary Club, the competition. But for the PT, he didn't win any places. But I think I will give him this part of creative work here. But another part, 20%. I saw some of you did a good job to organize the process, your homework online, publish it on your website. That is easy. I think please report me today. Let me check with it. Oh, sorry. Let me check whether I have the. Go ahead.
To go to see in the
You need to leave now. Okay, it's okay. Okay, and okay again, and okay. I just collect information here. Please check whether your website is on the list. Your student number, your website. Okay, and who is this person? Who is this person? No, actually, it's not a real blogger. It is a background. We cannot see your background. So can you reset this one? I'm going to copy and paste it to our line group. For example, this is a $1 homepage. $1 homepage, and the website look like this, and blogspot.com. And from my backside, the backyard, the backyard look like this. Draft.blogger.com. Actually, no one can read it. So please modify the website. Because it's restricted, it's not the website. Please select. Please view blog click View Block, and this one copy paste this side. Okay, got it? Okay, good. Please modify and so please modify it here. And whose website is here? Number 17. Is he or she here? Can you find this website? Okay, just modify this part. Excuse me. Okay, okay, I will put a hyperlink here. Okay, please report your student number and website here. Click here, then it moves to this one. Okay, any question? If no more question, we can move to next examples. I try to find a less example than next number, then you can calculate. Question. Okay, how about go to the example? Question number 3. Several magazines were grouped into 3 categories based on what level of education of their readers in the magazine are geared toward high, middle, or low education. Then the random samples of the magazine were selected to determine the number of 3+ syllables words and in the advertising copy, and the data is here. Okay, so is there enough evidence to show that the mean number of 3+ syllable words in advertising copy is different from at least 2 of the educational labels, text and 5 labels? Okay, and let me show you here. Just copy. Just copy and paste here. And I copy the hyperlink. Okay, I got it. Then please higher education, middle education, and lower education, there are groups here. I just go back to this website and reload it. Yes, and sorry. Okay, then there are 3 treatments. I just need 3 is enough. 3 is enough. The first, higher education. Control C to copy. Paste it. The second column. Copy. Paste. And third column. Copy. Paste. Then I just click. Does this any the significant label? No, 5%. Okay, 5%. I set the label at 5%. Then calculate. Then I got the total number is 54. Degree of freedom is 2. And the F value is here. The F value is the ratio here. P value is 0.004711. And so it's significant. They are different. Okay, please do this part. Okay, the principle as the mentioned in the textbook is complicated, really complicated. And now application is easy. So when I was a PhD student, I learned biostatistics. It was a nightmare. Again, it was a nightmare. But now you have a bundle of tools. You save your time. So what's the conclusion? From the magazine, they have 3 groups of their readers, and we know after our calculation, number of 3 plus syllable words in advising copy, and we know they are different. From higher education, middle education, and lower education. Okay, so please do this part. And take a screenshot of it, copy paste to your website. Alright, I just checked and Jeza. Okay, good. No problem. you may ask those two groups who have the significant difference. And from the test, we know the group 1 to group 3, there is a significant difference because the p-value is very small here. But when we compare the group 1 to group 2 to group 3, no significant difference. So when operating the examples, any question, please let me know. In the final exam, I may select information, but sure, I will think how to make an easy way to spread the information. You don't need to type the information, type one by one. So I may give you the website, then you can click it, use your computer, click it to download my information and copy paste and return the result to me. Okay, let's run the last information, last data. Let me find easier. Okay, I like this one. Okay, the amount of sodium in milligrams in different types of hot dog in example. Okay, is there sufficient evidence to show that the mean among those sodium in types of hot dog are not all equal. Test at a 5% level. And we know the hot dog can be made from different meat, from beef, from pork, from poultry. And for each sample, the content of sodium is 495, 477, different like this. Made from pork, made from poultry, different value here. And now we want to know those three groups, any one different from the other. We can test it. Okay, select. Copy. Paste. Q5. Okay, then transfer the information. Copy to the website. Here is the beef. Here is the meat. And here is the poultry hot dog. Then, yes, set a 5% label and click calculate. Personally, before I watch the results, personally, I think no significant difference because the value is very close. Okay. Okay, the F ratio is 1.7, the p-value is 0.179. The result is not significant different at the label here. So we can reject the hypothesis, and now we can know the amount of sodium in different types of hot dog here, and no evidence to show those three different of hot dog has different sodium. Done. Okay, let me show you this. You can try this example. In the final exam, I will ask you, what's the p-value? How's the p-value? And can you say a strong evidence to show the sodium content in three types of hot dog are different, or you will say no difference? Okay, close to the semester, the end of the semester, and in group B, at least 10 times, I think some of you already reached this criteria. 2 open book exams, class assignment on the public website or homepage. Here is 20%. And here is from Daniel. But I think Daniel, he's busy now. He's in the military service now. like this, and next. I forgot who is the student, and he or she has May 29th, April 3rd, March 20th. Three. I may give I may give the person 2 points for each. So could be six. And this one. If possible, please write down your full name here, your full name on your website, because in the chance I will promote you. You can decide whether you need to place your photos over there. For this person, 1, 2, 3 articles. Articles may get 6 points. And this one. That okay. Here's your name. You have 1. So you have only one article. Sure. If you have time, you can review my video and take a screenshot. Go back to this one because this part will be 20%. One article, I will give 2 points for one article. You can accumulate 10 or more articles, and I will give you more. Maybe up to 16 or 18 about this part. And Warren, I got it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 articles. Yeah, sure. If you have a chance, you can try to do more before the end of semester. Maybe before the end of next Friday is okay. I can start to grading next week. And you can, for example, today is sure you can use a different day. I will know that. You can I review the articles from May, for example, May 3rd. Assume May 3rd. I check the class note. I check the video and I do the notes today. Maybe 2 months later, it's okay for me because I think this one is okay. And try to have your full name because you need to promote your brand. You are the big brand. Okay. This person. Okay, who did this? You okay? You may have your. Okay. You may have your full name here, in your language, in Mandarin, in English. Either one. Both of them. All of them is okay. Then, if you can learn my motto. $1. This is me. My name in my language. My name in English, and I try to promote myself. I'm not a handsome guy, I know, but that's me. That is me. Okay, and I cannot find who is this. Okay, look, who did this? It's easy. Who did this? Is the order in the classroom? Okay, good. Maybe you can have your full name here and your picture, because now you are the student of business. You need to promote yourself. And in the future, I will give the website to my supervisor. See those students, they are really hard worker and did a lot during my class. Sure. Okay. Any question? If no more question, we can have rest, and I will announce some important things in our online group. And next week is our final exam. We can start from the beginning to 12 o'clock. Open everything except talking during the class, during the line, during the cell phone. Is it okay? Okay. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for your cooperation. I'm happy this semester. Yeah, go ahead. I encourage it 10, at least 10. At least I may give you up to 18 of the part. The part is 20%, but I think unless you have a beautiful, everything is okay, but the quantity over 10, I will give 18. Yeah, sure, you can do it by next week, and I will count that, but you need to refer to the previous notes, previous videos. Okay, good luck, everyone.
I already have
7? Good, you can 3 more.
Yeah. I'm probably teacher. Thank you.
No problem. Anything, please contact me online.